In this video, we're going to talk about OnlyBrain, which is a brand new play-to-earn gaming platform with tons of classic, amazing games where you can come and play them in order to earn a big reward. Obviously, nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Always do your own research before investing any money. Let's get into today's video. So guys, make sure you hit that like button. And here we are over on onlybrain.io, which is linked down below in the description if you want to find out more. Now, if you follow this channel, you'll understand that I really like GameFi. GameFi is one of the best places to make money in cryptocurrency, in my opinion. Obviously, that's not financial advice, because I think the gaming space is going to be absolutely huge in the next few years. Now, what we can see down below is all of the different games that are available on the platform, and you can play for free, but you can also play for money, and you need to stake here. You can see you can stake 3 USD or BUSD, and in order to win cash rewards, and the more you stake, the more you're likely to gain. There's classic games here like 2048, and we can just click on here to see how to play them. You can connect via your MetaMask or a Wallet Connect. Now, if we come and look at the different game platforms, you can see everything about it here. So this session will end in 1 day, 11 hours, and then the winner will be taken. So you can see the leaderboard. Here is the leaderboard, and it's generated. Basically, it gives a fair share of all of the different rewards. You can see the more people that play the game, the more money will get into the pot. And here you can see the one at the top currently will make $58. Considering they only had to put $3 in the first place, that's pretty good, right? And you can see all of the top players listed down below. And some of these top players, this one here has made $387 on this play-to-earn game. Now, depending on where you live in the world, $380 is still not a small amount of money by any means. But play-to-earn gaming has become particularly big in places like Southeast Asia, where I currently live. And there's a very good reason for that, because the average salary is much lower than maybe it is in places like the UK. This means that people are more willing to play these GameFi games for quite long periods of time, because $380 could be potentially a month's wages for some individuals. And this is very, very powerful, because it means that more people are now having access to, one, being able to earn more money, which is obviously great, but also they're far more incentivized to play. This is how games and gaming platforms like this can really start to boom. Now, here you can see another game, which is Tower. They're all classic, very easy to win, very easy to play games. Okay, they don't take any sort of skill set. They do take a little bit of skill to be able to do well in them, but anyone can just join the game and understand straight away exactly how to play. So that's very good, because there's not much barrier to entry, and it's a much fairer system for people to be able to play games to get rewards. Now, coming down below, you can see the top players in this game have made $504, and then the recently played version here, you can see all of the different players in each of these games that's playing, and each of them has a bank reward, which is consistently pretty much over $100 every time. Now, in order to play, all you need to do is submit the entry fee, which you can see is typically $3, and then you can play casual games better than others. There are free demos which you can play as well. So here, for example, you can play 2048, which is just a demo version, and then you can just press here, new game, and then you have to get the score, which is up here to 2048. You can see that you just have to double each time, and obviously it gets more and more difficult as your gaming starts to fill up, because it's harder to kind of keep everything in the right place, and eventually, you know, you might win, you might lose, but obviously the more you practice, the better you're going to get, and then eventually, after you've practiced well enough, $3 might be a good investment, because you never know, you could make $300 from just playing that single game. Now, what is very cool at the moment, they're encouraging new developers to come on and create new games. There's going to be a guaranteed prize pool for those developers that's going to last until the end of April. So if you're a developer and you think you've got what it takes to develop a cool game that they can use on the platform, then come across and you could potentially make some good rewards from doing that. They've also got great coverage on social media, Discord, Telegram, and Twitter, where you can go and interact with other people playing the games around the world, which is another cool way to interact with this platform. So in summary, at the moment, they've only got 3 games on the platform, 2048, Hextris, and Tower, but they will be adding new games all the time. You can play them all free on demo, or you can go and pay $3 to be able to play each of these different games. And there's always new competitions that are starting all the time. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, guys, hit that like button for me. If you're new to the channel, you want to find out more about GameFi, crypto, NFTs, and much, much more, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.